Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to replace the keyboard on a Dell Precision 3550. If your keys are sticking, missing, or if some just won't work at all, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the replacement, here's what you'll need. Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger or prying tool, your new keyboard replacement, removing the back cover. There are several screws holding the back cover in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep track of your screws. You can use a magnetic tray to avoid losing them. Once the back panel is off, remove the battery, system board, and other components to access the keyboard. Removing the old keyboard. Start by locating and removing the screws that secure the keyboard. Carefully separate the old keyboard from the keyboard bracket. Align the new keyboard with the keyboard bracket and replace the screws. Once that's done, press the keyboard into place until it clicks securely. Then, replace the screws to hold it in. Reassembling the device. Carefully reattach the system board along with all the other internal components. Attach the back panel and secure it with the screws. And that's it. Power up your device and give those keys a test. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.